creator.
Hey guys, it's Kay. Of course, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a wig I was sent from Ft.Subella Hair. Just in case any of you guys are interested, like always, check below in my description box. So I was showing you that this wig is 26 inches, and these are all the goodies that come along with the wig. The wig they sent over is a 13 by 4, and then the hair color is a 13 by 4 lace, and the hair color is a P18 613, which as you can see is like this blonde color, and it is a curtain bang body wave wig, 26 inches as I stated before, and 220% density. Now as you can see, this wig already comes pre-styled, and I love the little roller touch where the bang area is to keep the curls formed. That was so cute. I definitely love these rollers, so that's a keeper for me because I just love these type of rollers. But anyway, here is what the lace is looking like, and this lace is HD and it blended so well. Now I was a little over that because it's like, okay, pre-cut lace, but yet y'all still have lace for me to cut on the back of the wig. I was not feeling that. But this is what the wig looks like straight out of the package. The fit of this wig is very nice. Just make sure you get your correct cap size. And I was feeling the little rollers. It was giving pin up, so don't mind me. But as you can see, the rollers really worked at keeping the curtain bang intact. So I do love that. But as you can see, I wish that they had rolled it back and not forward, because now it just left like that indentation, but that's okay. We can fix that with my wand curler, which I do as the video progresses. But as you can see, the lace was a little bit light, so I did go in with my finishing powder and I just darkened up the lace, and the finishing powder did kind of get on hair, but I wasn't really worried about that. Honestly, I do feel like you can wear this glueless. It just all depends on how the wig fits on your head. Now my head is on the smaller side, and I didn't adjust the little elastic band to its tightest just because I feel like sometimes it be suffocating my head. But I just went ahead and added my got to be glue to lay down my lace. But you can definitely wear this wig glueless if you choose to. Overall, this install was pretty quick and easy. I don't really have any complaints. As you can see, the wig already came pre-styled. I didn't really want to mess with the curls or recurl the hair, which you can, but I wanted to really show you what the wig actually looks like straight out of the packaging, and that you can actually wear this style straight out of the box. So this is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. The only thing I did was lay down my lace. And I have to say, the straight out the box style is actually working for me. It does not look bad. So if you do decide to get this wig, you really you want to put it on your head and you don't feel like you want to do any extra work, you really don't have to, because it did look good. Like the curls were still intact. I probably would recurl the curls, like if you wanted a better set of curls, but the curls was not bad at all. So like I said, you can wear this straight out of the box, and I did do a couple little styles at the end just so you can see or give you an idea of how you can wear this wig. But yeah, I was definitely feeling it. The color on my skin tone just works for me. I really love this blonde color up against my skin. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. I love you guys, and I will see y'all in my next video. And make sure you check below in my description box for links just in case you are interested in this wig.
Real quick, this is so cute. So I'm gonna use this. I purchased this from Shein, and it's just like a little clip, but it looks really, really pretty. So I'm gonna clip the hair up with this just to see how it turns out. But yeah.